lined up to come on the stage in about 8 more minutes. Hello, Sandesh. You're the only guy not with a water theme. Well, I guess the dog, Barry does that.
I think I got to switch.
There's a dog theme over there, Barry does.
Well, we know it was underwater at some stage.
Yeah, actually it was. I think it was. Let's see what we have here to continue down our path. I am going to, so now if you need to take a quick bio break or whatever, now's a good time to do that. Barry, Roger and I are going to spend the next 7 or 8 minutes filling you in with great information in a fun and friendly way here. So here's one. I hope Terry can help us with this one. Is there an analytics and data GitHub? Maybe Roger, maybe you want to have that ready to show on the fly there.
Yeah.
So some people are getting it wrong. One guy got it wrong. They actually, the answer is quick. Let's just end the polling. The answer is yes, of course there is. Roger, any chance I can just share this to you, or should I do that?
Sorry,
just wanted to show it. I was just hoping to show it real quick here.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely.
Okay, so let me see if I can find this thing. I should have had this thing all set up in advance. GitHub. If you go into here and you go into GitHub, I think this is it. Is this the right? I got too many windows popping up here.
It is on your left.
Is this the right one right here? Yes, it is. Okay, so there is a GitHub. It's not only machine learning, although that's the one that we've posted a few things in right now. But if you go to this Analytics and Data Oracle user community, we've set up our own sort of user community GitHub, so people can post any DVAs, notebooks, Apex applications, things like that, and come on in here and share away in these repositories. It's community GitHub is something we've done. Let's go back to the slides now. Do we have a free newsletter?
I was going to ask
Terry, maybe you want to start that one, and I will go fire up the. Well,
yeah.
I'm giving away the answer there when I do that, aren't I?
Yeah.
So those of you guys have not guessed yet, the answer could be yes. And see if I can find this guy real quickly. Click on that. So this is something we've been working on, and so the answer is yes. Most everybody got that right because I gave the answer away. And if I say resume share, there we go, and I click on this, which is what I think I need to do. I guess I maybe need to click on that. There is an automated newsletter. So when you go to the website, you can click on that and join the automated newsletter. Now, we do our best to, like I said before, we're not professionals, right? We do the best we can. And we use the content searcher to kind of look for things that say spatial and graph, that say Oracle Analytics, that look for Oracle data analysis. And we post in an automated way. Sometimes we curate it and take out things from, say, Microsoft or something out here if we don't really want to do that too much. But here's a really nice article on this. What is a data science job? There's things on all the different topics. There's newsletters, videos. There's a bunch of different things here. And it's not limited to just Oracle, Oracle, Oracle. It's meant to be much more. I mean, it's obviously there's a lot of Oracle content here, but there's a lot of content here. You can subscribe by clicking there. You can also go to the main page of the analytics and data
Oracle user community.
Yeah, and you can go there as well. So there are, when we get this thing working in its best way, there are different, I don't know what that D stands for, I'm not going to click on that. There's ones that say spatial, graph, and so on. So we're still trying to fine tune that a little bit, but that is something that we are also have available. Let me go to the next question. Oh, here's another one, Carrie. I think we have a couple of times for some fun polls. Who are these guys? Now, one of the answers ultimately has to be Itchy and Scratchy, you would think, right?
Right.
Sooner or later, it's going to be Itchy and Scratchy. It's got to be.
I've got to meet them.
Simon and Garfunkel, I don't know, maybe. A bunch of different guys. Actually, it was one of my favorite shows a long time ago, if you remember the show. But we're on a 3-hour tour. We figured we'd have some sort of a nautical theme here. Of some
they're
sort.
even in they're obviously in Miami somewhere, aren't they?
Yes, they're out. They're out tooling around in their boat. Oh, you gave away the answer. So let's share the results, Carrie, if we can.
Here we are.
It looks like most people got it. More people got it right than wrong. Crockett and Tubbs. Smith and Jones. I just made that up. I don't even know who those guys are. Smith and Jones. Let's go to the next one. Who are trying to be a little bit more current here. Little bit more current. I heard she's up and coming. Who are these people? Attendees are now viewing the questions. Okay.
The professor and Mary.
Yeah. Some people are getting it wrong. I like the answer there. Some people are getting. I think they're deliberately getting it wrong. Some of these people, and they're having fun with us. Some people think it's the professor and Mary Ann. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. You want to share these results, Carrie?
Yeah, we got them up.
They're sharing.
Okay, they are. In fact, most people got it right. Some newcomers called J something, JZ and beyond. I don't know how you pronounce that last one, but very, very good. Let's go now. Next one. Where is the best place to find analytics and data Oracle user community content? And maybe we're going to ask this one just before we put Sandesh up. Sandesh, hopefully you're up at bat, ready to go.
Yep.
So actually, there are several possible ones you might think, like your local library. It sounds interesting. But we think, we'll give it 10 more seconds here. We think the best place. Roger, go ahead.
Data mine, and you'll get most of it too.
Yeah. You go with those new people, Beyonce or whatever her name is. All right, let's share the results. Are we doing that already? We are. Thank you. Looks like most people got that right. So good on you guys. I don't know how much. We must have at least 30 things up there right now. We make them all public. So all the stuff that you're seeing today, tomorrow, and the next day during TechCast days are out there. They're searchable. Well, searchable in terms of the topic, not tags on them. We might add stuff like that. And with that, I think we're hopefully just ready for our next. We'll come back to this one if we have time. Let's go to.
This has now got a more suitable picture. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, see, I have to come with the theme, right?
Yeah.
Well, I was hoping you get some more. You get Starsky and Hutch, and you get like Dastardly and Muttley. A couple of more ideas for the next time. Bonnie and Clyde.
Yeah. So the next, this TechCast this quarter was a 3-hour tour. When's our next TechCast days? TechCast days, Roger. Is it October?
Yeah, every quarter.
October 13, 14, and 15.
13, 14, and 15. Excellent. So we'll have to have a new theme for that one. Maybe it's not a 3-hour tour. With that, who's introducing Sandesh on this one? Is that me? Yes, that's what I thought. So